Students, this is class number 7. So let us solve this simple question. I have written so simple question on the board. Solving that is so easy, dead easy. In that last class, you learned what is null set. From that name itself, need not to buy it. Buying is not required. Null set means empty set. Empty set means no elements in that set. A set has no elements is called as empty set. Next to finite set. A set if it has finite number of elements, that means in that set number of elements. For the number of elements there should be end. For the number of elements, if there is end, we call that as finite. So if there is no end, means it continues. It will go up to infinity. Means infinite set. You learnt, in that last class you learnt all these things, right? Using that, based on that, let us solve these simple questions. Which of the following are examples of null set? You need to choose. So out of these sets, the sets are given in rule form, set builder form. You should identify which set among these is a null set. Which set among these is a null set? Let us check one by one. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So tell me odd natural numbers. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Can it possible to divide odd numbers by 2? No. 2 divides only even numbers. 2 never divides odd natural numbers. Tell me odd natural numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. ಎಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಆಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. 2 ಇವನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. 1 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, 3 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, 5 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ 4. So 2 divides 4. Why 2 divides 4? 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. Correct? So right. So divides means you should divide completely. Decimals are not allowed according to division algorithm. If while dividing, if decimals comes, we say it is not dividing. 3 by 2. You made it 1.5. But according to division method, division algorithm, we say 2 does not divide 3. 2 divide ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 1.5 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ನೀವು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಓಕೆ. ನೌ ಸೊ does 2 divide these odd numbers? No. Is it empty set or not empty set? Empty set. So first question. So answer first question. It is empty set. No elements. Empty set. Correct. The set is empty. No elements in that. Second one. Set of even prime numbers. Do you know prime numbers, students? Prime numbers setting on 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. Non-divisible numbers. Correct. Divisible numbers are called as composite numbers. Non-divisible numbers are called prime numbers. Which is even prime among these? There is only one number which is both prime and even number. Prime ಮತ್ತು even number ಆಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು 2. So right, even prime. So 2. Is it a null set? No. It is not equal to pi. It is not an empty set. 2 is not an empty set. Empty set alla. It is not an empty set. Set of even prime numbers. Next question. Set of even prime numbers. So tell me that even prime numbers. Set of third question. X such that x is a natural number and x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. Is there a number which is less than and both greater than x such that, tell me naturals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. This number should be less than 5. X should be less than 5. Less than 5. Less than, tell me numbers which are less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are these numbers greater than 7? No. ಅವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 5 ಇಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ 5 ಇಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವುದು 1 2 3 4 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವು 7 ಇಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದು ನೋ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ come to that fourth one so y is a point common to two parallel lines. Look at this friends, parallel lines. All the points on this line, every point on this line is completely different from the points on this line. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆನೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್, if two lines intersect each other, so we get a common point. Otherwise we won't get common point. So is there any common point for parallel lines? No. Then what about that now empty set? Question 4 should be empty set. Empty set. Answer is empty set. I hope you understood friends. Let us go for solving one more simple question. Students, let us solve one more simple question on the right. Look at that simple question on that board. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Finite sets means number of elements should be finite. Infinite sets means total number of elements should be infinite. Elements should go up to infinity. Let us go for solving one by one. The set of months of a year. Set of months. Solution. So tell me months, students. So June, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, so November, so December. That's all. Is it finite set or infinite set? Finite. So there is a end. We have only finite number of months. So finite. It is finite. Solve second question. Second one is, you go for solving second one. Second one is 1, 2, 3. It will go up to infinity. Is it finite set or infinite set, students? Infinite. Because elements goes to infinity. There is no end. For the elements, we don't have end. It is infinite set. So it is infinite set. Now you want to question number 3. So question number 3. Second one is infinite set. So question number 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 9900. You tell me, students, is it finite or infinite? Finite. Because we have an end. Elements stops at 100. There is no continuation. We don't have continuation of this set. Stopping is there. Stop is there. Stop is there means it should be finite. So it is finite set. So it is finite set. It is finite set. Now go for question number 4. Question number 4. The set of positive integers greater than 100. Tell me positive integers greater than 100. 100, 101, 102, 103, so on, right? So right, 100 greater than 100. 101. So 102. Positive integers greater than 100. 103. 104. So it will go up to infinity. It continues up to infinity. Is it finite set or infinite set? Infinite set. So it is infinite set. It is infinite set, right? Now lastly, the set of prime numbers less than 99. The set of prime numbers less than 99. Less than 99 means it should be finite set. Less than 99, there is a end. So you write prime numbers less than 99. So 2, 3, 5, so on. 99, is it prime number? No. Can be divisible. This number can be divided. 3 divides 98. Prime number? No. 97? No. 96? No. 95? No. 95? 94? No. 93? No. 93? 92? No. It's not a prime number. 91? 91? What about 91? Is it prime or not a prime number? So check that. Divide. 3 3s are no. Cannot possible. 7 divides 91. 91, it's not a prime number. 90, not a prime number. So write 89. 89. What about 89? Not a prime number. 89. 89. So can it possible to divide? Yes. 3 2s. It's a prime number. 89. 89. 89. 3. We have 9. Should be divided by 3 only. 3 2s are 6. No. 7. No. It is a prime number. So therefore, since it finite set or infinite set? Finite. Anyhow it is finite set. Okay students, let us solve one more question. So let's go for solving. So sorry students, we have one more prime number, 97. 97. Last prime is 97. 97 is a prime number. So still before that we have more prime numbers. You can easily find that. Is it finite set or infinite set? Finite set. It is after 89. We have one more prime, that is 97. So right students, let us go for solving one more question. Let us solve one more simple question. Look at that question on the board students. State whether the following sets are finite or infinite. It is enough if you write whether the set is finite or just state means mentioning. Right, finite or infinite. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. How many lines can be drawn parallel to x-axis? Infinitely many. Look at this students. X-axis, y-axis. Look at this. There can be infinitely many lines which are parallel to x-axis. Collect all these lines into a set. Do we get finite set or infinite set? It is infinite set. Write the answer. So what is the answer for first one? Infinite. First one, infinite set. Second one, the set of letters in the English alphabet. So A to Z. So finite set or infinite set? Finite set. Set of letters in the English alphabet. So A, so B, C, so on. Tell me last letter Z. Z. Is it finite set or infinite set? Finite, because there is end. We have last element. Is finite set. Is finite set. So next one. So third question. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Tell me numbers which are multiple of 5. 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. They are all multiples of 5, 10, 15. So correct. Multiples of 5. I think plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 15, so on. Is it infinite set or finite set? Infinite set. Plus 5 is multiple of 5, minus 5 is also a multiple of 5. Is infinite set. Is infinite. 0 is also a multiple of 5. 0. 0 plus or minus 5. You start from 0. 0 is also a multiple of 5. Because 5 into 0, 0. You will get that. So write 0 plus or minus 5 plus or minus 10 plus or minus 15, so on. It is infinite set. So next question. Question number 4. Set of animals living on this earth. So go on collecting one by one into a set. Is it finite set or infinite set? Set of animals. I think it's infinite set. Animals is infinite set. There are infinitely many animals on this earth, right? Cannot be uncountable. If you go for, is it possible to collect animals which are living in the ocean and all those? No, infinitely many animals. So right, last one, the set of circles passing through origin. Set of circles, x-axis, y-axis, circles passing through origin. Look at that. All the circles, infinitely many circles can pass through origin. Is it finite set or infinite set? Infinite set. So infinite. I hope you understood, friends. Let us stop this class. We shall continue solving more problems in the next class.